Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Rebecca Jamir and I make food videos. Well, I'm here with another video and today I'll be making some soup. So winter is coming, it's just 1 month and winter will be there. So why don't we learn making some soup? So today I'll be making some veg soup from sweet corn. So I have this sweet corn soup. It's by Oceanssecret. If you want to buy this sweet corn, then you can directly buy it from Oceanssecret. So it's a canned sweet corn. The ingredients are sweet corn, water, salt and sugar. And the expiry date was also written here. It's best before 18 months. You can see the date here. So this is the one that I will be making, sweet corn soup. Okay guys, let's start cooking and I will be showing you the other ingredients also. So these are the ingredients. We have here spring onion, cabbage, some green chilies, French beans, ginger paste, corn flour, black pepper, and of course we have sweet corn by Oceanssecret. We have butter and some salt. So first of all, I'll be chopping these vegetables. By the way, if you want to buy this chopping board, this is very good and it's very thick also, so you can buy it. I will keep the link in the description box and you can click there and you can buy the chopping board. Okay, I have chopped all the vegetables. You can add some carrots also if you have, but since I don't have carrots, so I'm not adding. So these are the vegetables. Now we will boil this. So this is what we have inside this sweet corn. Now I won't be needing this water, so I will drain this water. Okay, now we will start boiling. Add some water. Then I'll add this sweet corn. If you have a big family, then you can add all this. But since I'm making it for only 2 persons, so I'm not adding it everything. Then we will add this ginger paste, green chilies and French beans. Add some salt. I will boil these like 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, we'll just have a look. And yeah, you can crush some corn just to make our soup a little bit thicker. Okay, we'll put back the crushed corn in the vessel. Now we will add some crushed black pepper. Okay, now we will add this cabbage. Then we will add some butter. So we have this corn flour. In that corn flour I'll add some water. Use cold water only, don't use warm water, and mix it nicely. Now add this corn flour. You can add some MSG also, Ajinomoto, but it's totally optional. I'm not adding. Okay, everything is done. Now we will garnish it with spring onion. You can use coriander leaves also. So our simple veg soup is done. चलो टेस्ट खुशाबो इजा. Wow. गर्मा गरम वेज सूप. चलो ये ज़्यादा खाओ. बुना भी खत्म हो जाए, फोटो सेशन का भी खत्म हो जाए, तो ये ज़्यादा खाओ ले टाइम हो जाए. स्वीट कॉर्न सूप. गरम আছে. बोले. अपनी कॉलिंग का फंसे तो गरम गरम खाबी तो सब नाक कान कान भी सब खुली जाओ. Wow, too good. By the way, you can add some Maggi cubes also. That Maggi cubes, like, it will give you a very different taste. But if you want your soup to be organic, no need to add any Maggi cubes or any Ajinomoto. Just this vegetables. Man palde, man tasty. Oh, like I said in the beginning, winter de खाई चले तो एकदम body तो सब गरम गरम हो जाओ. So ये दो sweet corn soup as. If you want chicken soup, then instead of adding the butter, you can add some chicken also. So the chicken soup हो जाओ तो. So guys, this is so good. आज तो dinner तो खाऊं मैं. Thank you so much Oceanssecret for sending me this sweet corn. It was so tasty. And guys, if you want to buy sweet corn and also tin fish and varieties of processed food, you can check out their website Oceanssecret and you can buy it from there. And once again, thank you so much for watching this video. And if you really like watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification icon, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you so much once again. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Dada.